Okay, now this is question number 3. You can see diagram here. We have 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 kitchen and 1 living room, right? So we have to first see this bedroom distance is given, which is x. The bathroom distance, which is given 2 meter. Okay, so now first question we'll solve. Write an expression for the total area covered by both bedroom and kitchen. So now see, this is a rectangular shape, right? So what about rectangular shape? The area of rectangular shape, area of rectangle is given as L into B. That means length into breadth, right? So area of a rectangle is length into breadth, right? So they are asking for what? Bedroom and kitchen, right? In the first question they are asking bedroom and kitchen, but both bedroom we have to take, right? So first bedroom, if you will see this distance is x. So for first bedroom, this length is what? X. And what is width or what is breadth? It is 5. So the first bedroom, the area is area of first bedroom. Similarly, if you will say area of second bedroom will become, again see, this distance is also x, so our length is x into breadth is 5 meter, so it will become a 5x, right? And now we'll calculate the kitchen. So if you can see here, see this distance we have to calculate first. Okay, so how much is this? How you will calculate? See, the total distance which is given 15 centimeter. So total distance is 15 centimeter. From that you have to subtract this 2 because bathroom length is 2 meter. After that you have to subtract this x. After this you have to subtract this x. So what is the net answer? It is 13 minus x is the length of the kitchen. This is the length of the kitchen, right? So now area of kitchen is length. How much length we have? 13 minus x into what is the breadth we have? 5. So how we will calculate? Just we know the distributive property. So using that you multiply this 13 inside. So this will become 65 minus 5x. So they are asking the total area. Now if you want to calculate total area, then you have to calculate area of bedroom 1 plus area of bedroom 2 plus kitchen, right? So what is the area of bedroom 1? 5x. What is the area of bedroom 2? 5x. What is the area of bedroom kitchen? 65 minus 5x. Minus 5x plus minus gets cancelled. So our answer is 5x plus 65 is the total area. Okay. So this is the first question answer. Now what about second one? Write an expression to calculate the perimeter of the living room. Now if you will see, what is the meaning of perimeter? Now perimeter means the total area. Let us suppose you are standing here and you start walking along the boundary of this shape. So how much distance you covered, that distance is called as a perimeter. So the basic formula, the perimeter of any rectangle is given as 2 in bracket L plus B. 2 in bracket L plus B. So this is 2 into L plus B. Now 2 will keep outside. Now what is the length? If you can see, our total length is how much? Total length is 15 meter. And what about our total breadth? 5 plus 5, 10, and this becomes 2, that is 12. So this is 2 into 27. 2 into 27, it becomes 54 meter is the perimeter of the rectangle. That means perimeter of the complete living. This is the perimeter of the complete room. Okay, for complete room. Now they are asking for the living room, right? they are asking for the living room, right? Now if you can see, the living room is, see, this is the 2 centimeter, this is the 2 centimeter. So if you can see the living room, see, this is x distance, this is x distance. So this remaining section will become 15 minus x. So you just have to do, just see, we will make a two different sections, we'll make a two different sections, right? This is x, this is 2. So we'll calculate, this is shape number 1, this is shape number 2. This both areas will come under the living room. Understood? So we'll just calculate perimeter of living room. Perimeter of living room. Now just see here, if you can see this much distance, how much is this distance? How much is this distance? This is 15 meter, right? Plus, how much is this distance? This one, this is, you can see 5 plus 2, that is 7. Plus, now you will walk along this direction. Now you will walk along this direction. The how much is this distance? I told you total is 15 minus x. So it becomes 15 minus x. Okay. Now you want to walk around this line again here. Here. How much is this distance? This is 5 centimeter. So plus 5. How much is this distance? This is x. Understood? And how much is this distance? This is plus 2. So we have to calculate this total. 15 plus 15, 15, 30. 30 and 37. 37 into 39 and 5 becomes 45. So this x plus and this minus x gets cancelled. So this is the total perimeter of the living room. Okay.